Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make a Kabuto or samurai helmet. So just follow me and turn the paper side. Looks like a diamond facing towards you. Okay? What you want to do is fold the bottom up to the top and match the edges up perfectly. There you go. Keep it folded. And now turn it so that it looks like this. Fold it in half. Okay? Unfold. Turn it so that it looks like this. The arrow is pointed towards your chest. And fold these two flaps right here all the way up to the top. This. Like this. Okay? Now what you want to do, you want to face these towards you, the loose part, and fold these all the way up to the top, like this. Fold it up, like that, okay, and crease. Try to squash down in the air with this, so it looks like that. Same for the other flap. Looks like that now, okay? So now what you want to do, is you want to take these flaps, and what you want to do with them is make this shape. Can you see it right there? Okay, you want to meet this corner with it. It's the same with both sides. That's it looks. Like that, okay? Looks like this. Now what you want to do is when it's like this, what you want to do is fold it up and crease just like that, leaving about a centimeter of room, okay? Now you can unfold. Alrighty. Now fold the first flap up, and then fold this right over it, okay? Okay, so fold it right over it. Make sure to be nice and neat, okay? Flip it over. Actually, don't flip it over. And fold this flap right here into this pocket. This giant, huge Jamungo pocket. And there is your awesome Kabuto or samurai helmet. And just open it up and put it on your head and you're a samurai. Just like this. You can use it for party hats or origami party hats, just like this. They do work very well. So, thanks. Subscribe, comment, and oh no. Subscribe, comment, and this is Super Golf Fight saying goodbye.